Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I'm going to review Logitech MK275 Wireless Keyboard and Wireless Mouse, which is very popular in work from home kind of stuff. In office also this is popular. And the price of this product around 2000 something with the discount. So that particular link I provided in the video description. If you want to buy this video description, you can check it out. And I will be explaining important features as well as unboxing this thing. I already removed the cover. So let's see what are the important features and how we can use this, and is it worth for our work from home or work from office thing. Let's review that actually. Okay, so this is the keyboard. It is pretty bigger than the normal keyboards we can talk about. And let's remove the cover and see one by one. Okay, it seems lightweight little bit, and what you can see is there is an instruction manual including the English and all those stuff is provided there. So if you want it, you can read it. There is nothing much about that, but it is always good to read the instruction manual. Okay, the next thing we can see is about regarding the keyboard. Okay, so you can see the finish is really good. It's kind of matte finish, and some of the things I am really impressed with that I will be saying one by one. Okay, one thing is that you can switch on and off by using their buttons provided there, on and off. Once it is connected, there will be a small LED light will be coming, so that is one good thing I can say. And almost silent the keyboard. If you compare to other keyboard, the sound, there will be some sound like other competitors, but it is almost sound is very less and very comfortable also. You can feel the keystrokes actually. Other things sometimes it's not that good actually. Okay, and proper like caps lock, there is some projection is given, and most important thing and I liked is the multimedia options actually. Like you can directly mute the video or anything actually, which whatever sounds coming. Volume increasing and decreasing button is there, and home button is there. And for mail also you can just click this and automate. And most important thing, I think the coolest feature I can say, there is a PC switch off and switch off, like PC switch off option is there, switch on or switch off. That is like a super cool feature actually. You don't have to always physically press your laptop to switch off, so that obviously it will start tear and one wear will be happening. And my favorite thing, so I will be always a kind of person calculating stuff, then the calculator shortcut is given. Every time you have to go there and launching the calculator, just click on here, the calculator is on actually. For this particular option, I'll definitely buy this thing actually. There is no option at all. So you can also buy the in video description, you can see. And here is a piano finish is given. You can see that it's like a premium thing, and Logitech logo and everything is here. So if you see the numbering and everything is there, so it's a really comfortable thing to use and all. The keystrokes are good. And another important feature is that there is a small legs are provided backside, so you can like keep it like that actually. So when you sit ergonomically, you can type it actually. That is a wonderful feature which I can talk about. Okay, and here are the product, this finish and everything, like it's a piano finish and all those stuffs. These are quite beautiful actually. And another thing is that the soft cushion is also there to protect the thing and absorb the vibration and everything. And here you can see the product details, all those stuff will be there. Okay, now the battery, it's a wireless thing because there is no wire and all. You don't have to like assemble to your like mount to your PC or laptop every time. That is also your USB ports won't get damaged. That is the thing. So here is a battery charging option. So here is a small slip they have provided, because battery they are not started using it. All you have to do is that you have to push here actually. 1 second. Okay, so then it is the battery compartment is open. So in between they have put a plastic film, so the battery won't start activated and the charge will be saved actually. What you have to do is you have to just pull it actually. Okay, now the battery is active. There are 2 batteries. The specification is already provided there, so you don't have to worry. Anyway, you are getting it. They are claiming about around 36 months or something, that you have to verify in the thing. And in the mouse, the particular thing, with one thing it will go around 18 months. Like earlier also I have used Logitech mouse, it's almost true actually. Okay, now let's close this thing, and let's move on to the finish is too good actually. Move on to our wireless mouse actually. It's really great actually. It's very pretty small also. I'll just show you like with the comparison whatever I'm having the existing Logitech mouse. I'll show you. So this is the thing you have to plug into your USB port of your computer, laptop. Then only it wireless thing it will get activated. That is a common thing with any wireless mouse actually. And if you see this thing, it's really nice. We can use, but it is not a silent one. So it's very easy to use, move and all those things. I will connect to my computer and just show you the important features. Okay, and another thing I can say that here is the on and off button of the particular mouse, because you have to switch off, switch on, because the battery power thing. And here you can just slide and open the battery. This is the battery. So battery is not yet connected. Now I just remove this thing actually. Okay, battery will be connected and it will be like more than 1 year it definitely go. So I already use this thing. Now I will here switch on and off is there. You just switch on and you can use it actually. It's ready to use. Now we will go and like connect to our laptop and see how it is working. Quickly I will show the comparison. So here this is my work desk. You can see that the existing one is a Dell keyboard, and if I keep this here, you can see how big is that. It is bigger than the Dell keyboard, and there are a lot of multimedia options also available in this particular thing actually. Okay, so this is all about, and obviously this is a premium keyboard, we can say that wireless. This is a wired keyboard actually. Okay, now let's move on to the mouse thing actually. So here you can see the existing mouse I am using, Logitech Sound Plus, like Silent Plus, so there is no sound. And you can see that this is considerably small compared to this, and a little bit lightweight also, so easy to use this thing. And I will recommend you, I will definitely tell that this particular thing you can use memory foam. So it is very easy to operate the mouse, as well as it is giving the ergonomic comfort to your wrist also actually. So this is a must buy thing. Anyway, I will be providing all the stuff in the video description, whatever I am using. You can definitely check it out. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. I'll try to answer that as early as possible. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.